Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, October 25th. Going to do my nightly review of natural gas. Natural gas has been absolutely dumping for the last like what 8 trading days, and I was bullish natural gas long term, but I am going to change my tune in the short to mid term because of this loss of the uptrend line here. And you can see the bearish volume. That is a lot of bear volume. It could be because of the contract change as well. But this uptrend line, I've had it forever. Once it lost this 20 MA on the daily, saw way more downside on increasing bear volume. I thought it was originally going to bounce off this uptrend line here, but it dropped well below that, and we are opening bearish here. There is no sign of bulls reversing here, so I would stay away from natural gas until you see at least a bullish reversal candlestick and another one confirming it. So it was trying to form a bounce here earlier. It did get back above the 50 MA on the daily, but then we had some further downside, and there is absolutely no strength in the natural gas play. You can see it's been getting rejected by either the 20 or the 50 MA. So on the hourly, that is the first step. You want to get back above the 20 MA minimum, and then test maybe consolidate, and then test the 50 MA, and then get back above it. It may be forming a base here, or it's either that or it's pulling down the RSI on the hourly for more downside. And Friday, I made a big mistake before contract change. I don't always win, believe it or not. And on Friday, before the contract change, you could see that RSI was absolutely absurdly low here. So I took a swing position in UGAS and some calls over the weekend, and that did not pay off very well for me because it saw way more downside. And I was, and once the contract changed on natural gas to December, I was stopped out on Tuesday when we got back above this 20 MA and we lost it. I just saw too much weakness in it, didn't like the play anymore, and luckily I got out early in pre-market in natural gas after it opened really bearish and saw more downside. So don't try to catch a falling knife, as they say. Wait for a reversal. Again, minimum hourly needs to regain this 20 MA on the hourly, and then possibly consolidate depending on the distance between the 20 MA and the 50 MA, this yellow line. Consolidate, and then try to take out this 50 MA. You don't want a V-shaped recovery necessarily. You want to form a support on the way up. But a bounce, if it does bounce, could be very big because of the fact that it dumped so severely today without really creating any resistance on the way back up. But there is this uptrend line that it may backtest here, which will be resistance, and then obviously these moving averages will be resistance, but didn't create much price resistance. So nat gas, again, I would advise you to stay away until there is some type of reversal sign. And it could go all the way down, honestly, to test this 200 MA here on the daily, which is way down here at 2.986. So right now, the play is to stay away from natural gas unless you are playing it bearish. All bounces, as I mentioned in the chat room, are oversold bounces. And oversold bounces, just for quick scalps and for you to get out. It's nothing there that's showing strength in this nat gas play. So we'll wait and we'll be on top of it once it does show signs of reversal at some point, and we will alert you. So have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.